In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Charles Schwab, M1 Finance, and Webull, three major investing platforms that each offers something completely different depending on your style, experience level, and long-term financial goals. If you're confused about which one you should trust with your money, stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your approach to investing. Let's start with Charles Schwab, one of the most respected full-service brokerage firms in the world. Schwab is built for investors who want a complete ecosystem, not just trading, but retirement accounts, banking, research tools, professional guidance, and access to almost every investment product you can think of. The platform offers commission-free stock and ETF trades, but its real strength lies in its depth. With Schwab, you get mutual funds, bonds, futures, options, custodial accounts, a powerful research library, and even financial advisors if you need them. It's ideal for long-term investors, families planning for retirement, and traders who want a reliable, all-in-one platform. The only drawback? If you're brand new to investing or prefer a very simple interface, Schwab's tools can feel a bit overwhelming at first because there's just so much available. Now let's move to M1 Finance, which takes a very different approach. M1 Finance is built around automation. Instead of manually buying and selling stocks, you build what they call a pie. A pie is a customized portfolio made of stocks or ETFs, and M1 automatically invests your money into that pie based on the percentages you choose. This makes M1 perfect for long-term, hands-off investors who want their portfolio to grow steadily over time without constant trading. The platform also offers features like automatic rebalancing, borrowing, and high-yield cash accounts. But keep in mind, M1 Finance is not designed for active traders. There's no real-time buying or selling. You can't trade crypto or options, and execution happens only during specific trading windows. So if you love the excitement of quick trades, M1 may feel too slow for your style. Finally, let's look at Webull, which sits right in the middle between simplicity and advanced trading. Webull offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto, and the platform is packed with charting tools, indicators, real-time data, and paper trading for practice. If you're someone who enjoys technical analysis or wants more flexibility than Robinhood but doesn't want the complexity of a full-service broker like Schwab, Webull is an excellent choice. It's fast, modern, and visually clean, making it great for intermediate traders and active investors. The downside is that Webull doesn't have retirement tools as strong as Schwab and doesn't offer the automation and long-term focus that M1 Finance is known for. It's primarily built for active traders who want to analyze the market and make frequent moves. So let's break it down. If you want the most complete and professional platform with banking, retirement, advanced tools, and long-term reliability, Charles Schwab is your best pick. If your goal is long-term, automated, hands-off investing, and you like the idea of your portfolio managing itself, M1 Finance is designed exactly for you. If you want active trading, strong charting tools, and a clean investing experience, Webull offers the perfect balance of power and ease. Each platform wins in a different category, so the right choice depends completely on how you like to invest and how much control you want over your trades. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Charles Schwab, M1 Finance, or Webull or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest, easy-to-understand reviews of investing platforms and financial tools.